Hi, my name is Przemek Chojecki, and this episode is about how to attract customers, how to gain feedback on the product you're building, and what I did to actually get it. And probably the best way is to give something for free to your users who are willing to help you. This is what I did, basically asking people a couple of questions on what they're doing with content creation, how they would like to have AI help them with content creation? What are the bottlenecks? Have they used Contentyze before? And so on. And basically, for answering all those questions, I'm giving away 2 months for free with Contentyze. And there's a lot of answers already. Over 100 answers to those questions, which is really great, from plethora of people, both from beginners who never used Contentyze to people who has played already with Contentyze for over 10 hours and are active users right now. It's really great because it's an easy way to actually gain feedback, gain insight into the product, and also at the same time give some value to people and understand better what they really need with the product. So, for example, I understood that Contentyze has to be even more clear. It has to be very easy to understand. You need to have templates so that the whole generation process is super simple. So that's one of the feedbacks that I've got. And basically, this is the direction that Contentyze will be going to. So apart from making algorithms much better, the whole product development step is really, really important. And it's really great to have this kind of feedback. So if you want to stay tuned, please subscribe to my channel, but also go to app.contentyze.com and see for yourself how Contentyze works and whether there's something that you can use Contentyze to help you with related to generating content or generally creating text for your blog, summarizing other texts, and so on. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode.